Hello everyone and welcome to this Citi Strata Premier Card review. Is it the best card for you? Well, in this review we'll be talking about the features, the pricing and the pros and cons. And at the end we'll have enough information to make a decision. The Citi Strata Premier Card is a travel reward card designed for individuals who wish to earn significant rewards on a variety of purchases. It offers a general welcome bonus and valuable benefits for travelers. On with the features. As we just mentioned, you have a welcome bonus. You get to earn 75,000 bonus thank you points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. When it comes to rewards, you have 10 points per dollar spent on hotels, car rentals, and attractions booked on cititravel.com. You have 3 points per dollar on air travel and other hotel purchases at restaurants, supermarkets, gas and EV charging stations. And there is a 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. Also, you have a $100 annual hotel benefit where you get to enjoy $100 off a single hotel stay of $500 or more. And this is excluding taxes and fees when booked through the cititravel.com website. You also have no foreign transaction fees where you can use your card abroad without incurring charges. Travel protections, which includes trip delay protection, common carrier trip cancellation and interruption protection, lost or damaged luggage, and master rental coverage. You can also transfer your points. You can transfer thank you points to various airline and hotel loyalty programs. Then you have the Citi Concierge, where you get access to an expert 24/7. You have the Citi Entertainment, where you have special access to events, exclusive invitations, dining perks, ticket sale privileges, preferred pricing, and more. Now, when it comes to the pricing, you get to pay an annual fee of $95. The regular APR is between 20.24% and 28.24%. You also need to check the website for the latest. As with any service, we'll be mentioning the pros. You have a high rewards earning potential in multiple categories, generous welcome bonuses, valuable transfer partners for maximizing point value, a $100 annual hotel benefit, travel protection benefits, and no foreign transaction fees. But on the flip side, with the cons, that $95 might be a concern for some on a tight budget. Most airline transfer programs are foreign programs, leaving only JetBlue as the only US carrier. And it can be difficult to get value from a $100 annual hotel benefit. Now, away from the cons, the Citi Strata Premier Card is a solid travel card with a wide range of travel partners and simplified rewards earning. It's a great option for those who spend heavily on travel, dining, and everyday expenses like groceries and gas. The value of the thank you points can vary depending on the redemption method, with transfer partners often providing the best value. So is this the best travel card for you? Well, the Citi Strata Premier Card is a strong contender for frequent travelers. If you frequently spend on traveling, dining and gas, and can utilize the thank you point program effectively, it can be a great value card. However, whether it's the best depends on your individual spending habits and travel preferences. Some sources suggest it's a great all-round travel card, while others recommend considering alternatives like Chase Sapphire Preferred Card for a more robust travel protection, or the Bank of America Premium Rewards Credit Card for earning rewards across all purchases. So you'll need to consider your specific needs and compare it with other travel cards to make the best choice. At this point, we hope we've given you enough information to make a decision. Let us know if you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.